If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, Cardano Army. It's your boy Boomin coming at you with another video. Let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, do all the things that the algorithm likes. Really does help me sleep at night. And I'm a hot tea and honey, locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started. And we got some COTI news. So shout out to COTI, first of all, for releasing Jed on the main net. Jed seems to be doing mighty fine. I love us some Jed here. It's being integrated into all the blockchains, so definitely a successful launch. But we got some more news here. COTI has announced that they are creating a new token, and this is a governance token here, so you can now vote on COTI's blockchain. You can now vote for changes, you can participate in governance, and you can participate in how the future of COTI is going to work. So we're excited to announce that COTI, COTI's Treasury Governance Token, and first CMD token was minted today. Read about COTI, Treasury 2.0 light paper, and the airdrop campaign that will be launched soon. So let's take a look, guys. So COTI's Treasury Governance Token was minted today, February. Oh, that was a week ago. I'm a week late. Oh no, guys. I thought this was new news. Whoops. Anyway, I'm a little bit late, but that's okay. We recorded this exciting moment and happy to share it with you. COTI has a total supply of 1 billion tokens, which have been minted entirely today. You can check the hash right there. As stated before, COTI will be fairly distributed at no cost to loyal COTI community members and Treasury contributors. Minting of COTI is part of our preparation for the COTI airdrop campaign planned in the near future. They also released a Treasury 2.0 light paper. I'm going to go ahead and retweet this bad boy so you guys can read up on that if you want to. Your boy Boomin late again. I know. As described in the light paper, the introduction of COTI allows Treasury participants to gain multiple benefits of COTI's Treasury. Some of these benefits include governance. COTI holders will have the right to debate, propose features, and vote on matters related to the management of the Treasury protocol. APY booster depositing COTI alongside COTI deposits entitles the depositor to a greater share of the rewards distributed from the Treasury. And then participation in liquidations. COTI holders will be able to use their tokens to purchase discounted COTI Treasury deposits from the Treasury itself, allowing the Treasury to expand upon beyond the upper boundaries of COTI, coupled with the development of new innovative concepts, will enable COTI to grow the Treasury and our community. This will be accomplished with continuous upgrades and locking mechanisms, varying the locking periods, adding new functions, as well as new use cases for COTI. To ensure the security and operational efficiency, the tokens have been spread between 15 different wallets and will be kept into these wallets until the first of COTI will be distributed. So there you go, guys. Shout out to COTI. Let's go ahead and move on. We've got the weekly development report, guys. So let's get into it. This week, the Valentine SECP upgrade went live on the Cardano mainnet. Native support for SECP now fosters cross-chain interoperability and ensures the highest level of security for dApp development. As always, see this technical document report for more details from different teams. This week, the Daedalus team changed how the next Catalyst fund is displayed and fixed a minor issue on the progress screen. Work is ongoing on Lace. Can't wait for that. The team worked on enhancing how the main layout displays the embedded dApps and made progress on local node management and adopted some broken end-to-end tests to the new code base. Finally, they fixed some hardware wallet issues and CSS paddings margins issues with the dApp display in the desktop app. On February 14th, the Lace team held a Twitter space to discuss the latest on the Lace platform with Charles, Alex, Ben, Mattel, and other valued community members. In case you missed it, you can play the recording here. The Adestra team kept working on extending the multi-signature feature with the delegation functionality in the Cardano wallet. They also worked on extracting the transaction balancing library and are currently working on a DB layer refactoring to improve performance and memory usage. Finally, the team is preparing Cardano JS SDK for production release. This week, Plutus team kept working on the Plutus debugger development, script capacity increase, and documentation. They also continued building indexers for Marconi and addressing technical debt. This week, the Marlowe team depreciated Marlowe Lambada, corrected collateral index in the chain sync table, and updated Marlowe apps to use runtime protocol. They also documented an existing Marlowe runtime stress test strategy, updated the commands printed in Marlowe CLI, implemented Git transactions, Git contract state queries, and automated runtime scenarios. Finally, they added support for fetching the Marlowe state from the Marlowe runtime, which allows building contracts with Oracle inputs. The scaling team, the Hydra team, finalized work on some gaps to align the Hydra scripts implementation with the specification, which also improves script size and cost. They've analyzed the asymptotic complexity of the collect and fan out transactions and their relation, evaluated the Plutus transaction profiling toolchain, and prepared for further improvements in Hydra on-chain performance. Finally, the team held discussions with researchers and internal auditors and planned the next steps for the Hydra head protocol using full minting policy. Mithril team released a new 2306.0 distribution that implements minor fixes and updates and completes the wiring of the error activation markers reader into the signer and aggregator nodes. They also designed an event store in the aggregator and shared its implementation as monitoring solution to provide figures for deployment rates versions on signer nodes before activating an error switch. Finally, they finalized a new design of the recreational store aggregator, fixed a bug that prevented some signers from signing during epoch if they missed registration slot for the final epoch. So there you go, guys. That's the development update report for this week. Don't forget, today at 12 o'clock Mountain Standard Time and I think 7:30 GMT, Charles will be debating on Twitter about contingent staking. So make sure you guys tune into that so you can ask him all kinds of questions. I'll be there to listen to a little bit, just so I can get more understanding of contingent staking, because this is a hot button topic. And guys, Charles said this is minor. So I'm a little bit scared of what's to come in the future. If this is minor, and we're talking about KYC on the Cardano blockchain, what's going on in the future? So I'll be there. I'll be listening. I hope to see you guys there. Let's keep chopping wood, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for the Vechain and Cardano updates. Let's go. Thank you so much, Vechain and Cardano Army, for your amazing Patreon support, guys. I'd like to give a shout out to Maryland for Crypto, Anthony Andrews, Farouz Din, Kyle Bachi, CryptoSVT.si, Angeltopia, DNC Vale, Leon Jackson II, Kragan, All Flare LLC, Lucky Sunshine Token, and VET Docky. I hope you enjoyed the show, guys, and I'll be back with another video soon.